Hi guys. If you are a beginner, if you are a beginner, you want to learn tarot, but you are not interested in actually learning very deep knowledge, very complicated theories, because as a beginner, it is difficult to accept very deep concepts and just start reading. Okay, so which is why as a beginner, your first instinct should be, or it could be, that you would just want to learn how to do very amazing tarot readings. Okay, so if you are interested in that, you are at the right place. Hi, I am Preeti and I am a tarot reader since past 17 plus years. I have done tarot readings for like tens of thousands of people. I have taught thousands and thousands of people tarot, and they are now successful tarot readers. And I have read for people, I have taught people globally across India, USA, United Kingdom, Malaysia, Pakistan, Paris, Germany, what other place? Sri Lanka, Canada, Singapore, yeah, and many more places. So from across the world, I have read for people, I have taught people tarot readings. So you know that you are at the right place, you are in the right hands if you want to learn tarot. So keep watching this entire video to learn what exactly you would be, yes, to actually know what you would be learning in the tarot beginners workshop. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so what's the basic stuff? What exactly are you going to find in this beginner level program? So the first thing is there are no complicated theories. Okay, so when I started teaching tarot, I used to just teach everything in detail, and as beginners, people used to get freaked out, with the vast amount of knowledge that tarot as a subject possesses. Beginners used to just freak out, and which is why I just decided to split up the course. Okay, so the beginner level course does not have any complicated theories, which is a plus point for you. Okay, because as a beginner, you can imagine, a kindergarten child, that kid cannot do mathematical problems of university level. Okay, which is why to begin somewhere, to begin from a small level is extremely essential. So no complicated theories are going to be taught, are going to be given to you to memorize during this program. The second thing you would be learning is very simple and easy ways to memorize the card meanings. Okay, because tarot has 78 cards, and in order to do readings for people, you need to know what those cards mean to say. So a very simple plus intuitive method of reading the tarot cards is going to be taught in this program. That's the second thing. The third thing is, usually when people want to learn something, especially like tarot course or any other course, you want to learn like a lot of different ways. You want to learn like superly duperly complicated stuff. But here, what is the actual goal of a tarot reader? That you should be able to read precisely, accurately what the cards are saying. And to do that, we have one very simple yet master level tarot technique, tarot reading technique, that will be taught to you during this program. Okay, and if you know that method, you will be able to do tarot readings for anybody in this world. How is that? So what are you going to get with this program? Okay, so first of all, you will get a very simple guide on how to memorize the card meanings. Second, because this is a beginner level program, I will be sharing a guide on how to buy your deck, because I know that, when I was a beginner, the deck that was given to me, I did not like it. Okay. Which is why I have selected and created this guide. It took me like several days to create this guide, because I did not want that as a beginner you choose a wrong deck and then just, your learning journey is just elongated. You don't learn it quick enough just because of the deck. Which is why I have created this guide, beginner deck selection guide, that will be given to you during this program, which will help you to select the perfect deck especially for you. Okay, how is that? Because every person is different, everybody's energy is different. So how do you know which deck is the best for you? That will be given to you through that guide. The third thing that will be given to you is the Tarot Beginner's Course Manual. Okay, so this entire manual will have all the things that are important to remember, because yes, the course videos will be accessible, but sometimes, you just want to refer something, you just want to quickly refer something, which will be all given in the Tarot Course Manual. Okay, so now your question might be, okay, what exactly, what at all will be provided during, if you register for this course, what exactly is going to be provided? So you will get certificate of completion, you will get bonus courses. Okay, you will have to check the link below. Okay, the website link is given below, and all the bonus courses that are included with the current offer. Okay, I usually keep on changing offers. Okay, and presently whichever offer is available for you for the bonus courses, you will be able to see that on the website. Okay, so this course is available in two different formats. Okay, first is the live course and the second is the self-study course. So live course, yes, the price will be a little bit higher for the live course, because yes, personally, I am giving my time every time when I conduct a live program. Okay, and I want that people take the tarot program seriously, which is why it won't be a cheap program. Okay, so yes, the live course will be expensive. Self-study course will be a little cheaper. Okay, so the live course is where you will see me live for like 3 days. And yeah, as in 2022, it's a 3-day program, beginner level. So you'll be able to connect with me for 3 days. Plus, we have a private community on Telegram where you will be able to connect with people, all of who are learning tarot like you. Okay, all the like-minded people like you. So you will be enjoying while you are learning. The self-study course is you will have recorded videos and you will be learning from those recorded videos, just because you don't have time for exactly that matches the live sessions. So you can actually participate in the self-study program where you can watch the videos at any time, any number of times that you want. Okay, so what are the other things that you need to know is the course will be available for like 1 year. Okay, certificate of completion will be provided. Certificate of completion you will have to request once you have watched all the course videos. Okay, yes, it has to be come from you. It has to come from you, because after the course videos have been thoroughly watched and learned, you have to request your certificate of completion. You will know it, the how to do that. It will be given in the course itself once you complete it. Yes, that has to be done within 1 year. Okay, within the 1 year of registration, you have to request your certificate of completion. If you forget or if you fail to request within the 1 year, after the 1 year, certificate will be chargeable. Okay, that would be like $20. So make sure that if you are really interested in getting the certification, you get your certificate within the first year itself. Okay, plus this course is available in English and Hindi language. Just in case if you are interested in Hindi language, I am not a master of Hindi language. Okay, so even in Hindi language, I do speak a few words here and there in English, which is unavoidable for me. I can't speak pure Hindi. Okay, so if you are comfortable with English, go ahead with English, or you can get that course in Hindi. Yes, either English or Hindi, you can't get both. So now your question might be, okay, what do I do to register? In order to register, the link will be provided below this video. Okay, I know that, see, I just try to make as short video as possible because yes, sometimes, people are short on time. So this is like a very short and very concise video. If you want very, very detailed information of what exactly are the bonuses, what is included in the courses, this and that, the registration link that is given below, it has all the details of the entire program. Okay, so yes, so just go ahead and check out that link, check out the website, see whatever is included, read in and out of that, in and out of this entire thing. Okay, and then register for the course. Okay, see, let me tell you, I'm not here to teach people who are just doing it for fun, who are just who are not serious in learning tarot. I actually want people who are highly serious about tarot. Even if you are just a tarot aspirant, you don't know what exactly you are going to do with your knowledge in future, yet I want people who seriously want to learn tarot in my program. Okay, so if you are a serious tarot learner, if you are a serious tarot aspirant, then go ahead, click on the link below and register for the program. Yes, about the live course, live course will not happen frequently. Okay, it will happen just a few times a year. Maybe, in future, it can be just once a year. Okay, so just make sure that if you are interested in live course, you actually catch me whenever that is happening live. But for now, self-study program will be available all the time. Okay, so yes, so go ahead, click on the link below and register for the program. I will see you in the private group of community where you can directly ask questions to me. Okay, just in case you're referring to the material, you don't understand what's happening, you can immediately ask questions to me. You can practice tarot readings with the community that is there. Okay, so yes, so this is the little bit of information about the Tarot Beginners Workshop. I hope that this provided you all the information. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions further about this course, do comment below. Yeah, share this video with all the tarot aspirants. Okay, I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.